What is going on, guys? We are back here with another video. Today we're going camping. We got the rooftop tent going, and then we got all of our necessities. We got a cooler.
Yes, sir. We got everything packed up and
we'll
ready
show
to go.
See, this is all the stuff we got.
And then we have a ton of stuff in the back as well. And now we're at Walmart because, guys, we need to buy stuff.
So we are actually in the Walmart parking lot. Look, we're famous vloggers because, like, oh, it's up. So we're buying some supplies for camping. You already know it.
We just got out of the store, did all the rest of the shopping we needed to do, like get the necessities.
Show them my necessities.
Chicken and
Mountain Dew.
Now all we are doing is hauling it straight to Benton. We'll catch y'all there. Look at the sunset. Oh my gosh.
Yo guys, we out here.
No.
Oh, I just almost ran over a tree. But that's the setup. Yo, it actually looks cool. I'm excited.
And she was trying to kick us out because
we didn't reserve a spot, but we told her that, like, we'll pay her bank, and she was like, chill. Are you tired?
No, I'm so excited. We're partying all night.
We got our fire started.
Check out what's black hot dog.
Mine's a little darker.
Under all the ketchup, it's so dark.
So good.
It tastes like the charcoal stuff.
It just tastes like a hot dog.
That's good.
Guys, we're sponsored by Mountain Dew.
Yes, sir.
Don't buy Mountain Dew.
Hey guys, so we're in the tent currently. It is 11. This is our setup. We have our bean bags going.
Bean bags. Sleeping bags.
Sleeping bags.
And then we have a fat blanket over there.
Fat blanket. Snacks. Our parents just left. They were chilling with us. They hooked us up with a ton of wood because we did not get enough. We thought it was gonna be super cold, but it's like nice and toasty. So, but yeah, we'll catch y'all tomorrow morning. We'll show y'all the campsite because you cannot see anything in the dark.
Yep.
So we're gonna watch our movie and
catch you later.
good night. Hey guys, it's the next morning. We are cooking stuff up.
And we found a stray dog. He's chilling.
Yeah, Volodya gave him bacon, so now he's chilling with us. Yeah, because it's so good one. This is the tent. It looks so good and set up. It was really dark when we got here, so we couldn't really show y'all anything. We are sponsored by Mountain Dew, as we said before. And yeah, that's what's up. Got our milk, coffee, and hot water. And my hottie's cooking up us some bacon. Okay, this is our little breakfast. Now we're gonna try Bologna's eggs and then rate them from 1 out of 10. First, let's get a nice close-up of this. Yum.
I'm scared to try my own eggs.
Really cold, but they're really good. How would you rate your camping experience, like, so far?
0 out of 10.
Why?
I should 10 out of 10.
Oh, okay, great. I went to the bathroom and like freshened up a bit because I was feeling not the vibes. Anyway, it's already close to 2 p.m. I think. Vlad fell asleep in the hammock, so Probably gonna try to wake him up and try to go fishing and shooting because we are running out of daylight. Hey, Hottie. Let's go fishing.
15 more minutes.
It's the boots for me. It's already been like an hour and a half, probably more. Guess who's awake?
Guys, I was forced to wake up.
Shh, don't tell him.
She's forced.
He woke up and he's like, oh, let's go fishing. So we're putting away a few things. Someone's grumpy after their nap. I'm kidding. He's really happy. So Vlad's putting away the camping chairs.
Yeah.
His little Carhartt hoodie.
Forced.
He has some snacks for later. But yeah, we're putting away all the food. Fire is not looking good. Oh, and I did this earlier. Cute. But I want to show you guys this thing. It was so warm here last night because Volodya was breathing a lot. So it was really nice.
Trying to say that I snore or something?
I'm kidding. How's it going, Hottie?
Yeah, I'm on.
Done?
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you following?
No?
Thanks, these straps got messed up.
So we're pretty much packed up. I just need to move this cooler and water into the back and get the hammock. And we're gonna go explore.
The fire started again.
Really?
Yeah.
It did. Got our snacks for the car, and then this I guess I'll just take to the river.
I found out what the bamboo stick is for.
Please!
Okay, fine, you can have your bamboo stick back. Guys, we're here at some theater thingy that's outside, so I'm gonna be watching some performers today. They said something about them being really professional and stuff, so I'm really excited. Why are you bowing in the beginning?
Okay, I quit. We're going to the playground. That's what we're going to do.
Guys, we're going shooting.
No, we're going to the playground. Let's go.
Guys, we're at the playground. Did you enjoy that?
That was great. Hey, let's go again.
Okay, go.
Because I'm scared.
Okay, fine. I'll be right behind you. I'm gonna open her door because that's what I always do. But I just like to open your door. See, I open your door all the time.
So sweet. Stop it right now.
Guys, I have to always open my door. It's so
You're
messed
such a
up.
capper. I
Oh
literally
my
have
goodness.
wide open for you.
See, I always open her door, but she just never thinks about me. And I have to even start my own truck. What are you doing?
I got you. So, change of plans. We are actually, well, we made it to the range and there's just a million people there, so we decided that we're gonna go shoot at our dad's land.
What's up, guys? So we're here at the land. You already know it. We set up a can. It's all the way back there on the stump. Oh, I can't zoom in, but I think you can see it's like right there. We're gonna be shooting with my 350 Legend. We're gonna see who's a better shot because I think I'm better, but she thinks she's better. She's shooting first. Let's see if she's good enough. The target's right there. She's right here, 50 yards out.
This is easy.
You missed. Okay, ready?
Yes!
I think I tapped it, did I?
I don't know. He didn't get
I
it.
saw it move. Okay, second shot. Let's see if you can hit it. See if she hits it. What the heck? You hit all the way up there.
How?
You suck. That's awkward.
It's going again because I failed miserably. Oh, that was good. Yes, I love you. Oh.
First try. This is the further shot. I would say this about 100 and something yards, maybe 110. Oh, that was kind of close.
Yes.
Dang it.
Please don't get it. Please don't get it. Please. Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, we suck.
It's a hard shot.
I think it's pretty close. But not close enough. Ahaha.
We suck.
How far off?
So our parents just pulled up. Yes, sir. They're coming out to shoot with us, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, I think it moved.
Can I say hi to our vlog?
What you guys doing?
Yeah, we're shooting a challenge and we suck. I didn't get anything, but Volodya got one so far. Yes, sir. You got the target. Okay, Volodya's gonna try again.
I don't think we're gonna hit it. We're moving closer because we keep missing.
Yeah, I think you got it. Let's see this.
That was the last shot and I keep missing.
Well, we saved a Mountain Dew.
So I'm about to just chill,
So we're done?
I guess.
Yes, sir. Because we're out of ammo.
Yep.
It was good though.
9 mil.
9 mil. Yes, sir.
It's a little bitty.
Pretty sweet.
I
That's
can't
a-
shoot. I can't shoot a target. Yeah, I'm gonna try shooting it.
Oh, you got it, yeah. Yes, sir. Yikes, that's the AR.
That's why again people use it for things. You go.
Here.
Okay guys, this is the end of the vlog because we both realized that we suck at shooting.
Thanks for watching. It was mad fun. We'll definitely be going camping more often and hopefully fishing will actually happen this time. But yeah.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Okay, stop recording.
You're wrong. Okay, on 3.
Restart it.
Okay, it's restarted.
Are you ready? No, you're supposed to get close and then tell
Okay.
me when to go right before you click it.
Okay, go.
What is going on, guys? We're back here with another video. Today we're gonna be going camping. Why are you